If you've ever wanted to stream what's on your computer screen, a tab, or even media from Chrome to a bigger device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast from Google Chrome to other devices in a quick and simple way. This works great for Chromecast, Android TV, smart displays, and other supported devices, and it only takes a few steps. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, turn on the device you want to cast to. That could be a Chromecast plugged into your TV, an Android TV, or a compatible smart speaker or smart display. Make sure the device is fully powered on and ready to receive a cast connection. Next, on your computer, make sure your PC or laptop and your target device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is really important because Chrome won't be able to find the device if both devices are not on the same network. Once that's confirmed, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, hover over the option that says Cast, Save and Share. After that, click Cast from the submenu. Chrome will now start searching for nearby compatible devices. When the list appears, you'll see the device and names available on your network. Simply click the name of the device you want to stream to. In some cases, Chrome may ask what you want to cast, such as a tab, your desktop, or a file, depending on what's supported. Choose the option that fits what you need, and then your content will begin playing on the selected device. If you don't see your device right away, double check that it's powered on, connected to the same Wi-Fi, and set up correctly. You may also want to refresh Chrome or wait a few seconds while it searches again. And that's it. You've successfully cast from Google Chrome to another device. It's a really useful feature for presentations, watching videos on a bigger screen, or sharing content around the house. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.